I copied one of my YouTube scripts into ChatGPT and asked it one question. What am I doing wrong? This one question led to me changing the way I write my scripts completely. Let me show you what I did. So right here, I copied this from my community channel and basically just copied it and asked the question, and it gave me information. And I did the exact same thing with my finance channel. Same kind of question with the same kind of information. And basically what it's saying is I have long setup. I'm explaining before giving any kind of value. And for my community channel, my analytics, they just come too late. And so there's no payoff. So I need to start with the result, not the process. And then it gave me ideas of what to do. And it was the same thing with the finance channel. I gave the value way too late and too much of just explaining instead of just kind of giving my feedback and my thoughts on things, stuff that they could just read. Now, this matters because when it comes to getting monetized, it doesn't matter about your editing and the features that you add, the B-roll and stuff like that. It's really about getting the click and the retention. And so that's really what I was trying to focus on. I was starting to get some views, especially on my finance channel, but I could not get people to stay on. So that's what I did. And it's a good strategy if you want to give it a try. And do let me know if it's something you want me to show you how to do, how to put into ChatGPT from your video and then get the information. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of my finance channel because that's where I really focus a lot of my attention on my new script writing and just to see how it went. Okay, so now I'm in my finance channel analytics and I'm looking at this one here, best dividend income yet. I did spend a lot of time on it. The script was one of them, but I'm going to tell you that that was just a piece of the puzzle. But I have 7.6 thousand views, which so far has, well, it's actually 7,577. That is my highest rated, my highest viewed video so far. And I have 389 watch hours, 369 more than usual. And then for engagement, 3 minutes and 4 seconds. It's a little bit higher than it normally, but for a long time it was pretty high. But we're at 32.3%. But I also like that I have gotten 144 subscribers. That's the most I've ever received. And then also what I like that show that it did what I wanted was I have 327 likes, but 50 comments. And that's honestly, when it comes to my videos and stuff, yes, I want the views, but what's more important to me is, are people enjoying it? Are they finding value out of it? And that's what I really wanted to work on. And I will be having my finance YouTube update video coming out soon where I'm going to go more into how all of this, the script from everything else I've done, has really helped my channel grow. Let's go ahead and look at this week's analytics. Okay, so we're in my YouTube community analytics. And so this has been updated on January 2nd, but I'm not actually recording till January 3rd with the holidays. It was a little wonky of a schedule. So we're looking here, and these last three were my most from last week, and then this was my most recent. So overall, I'm going up. And this last one here, the posting and stuff like that, I did have more of the way I wanted to have it structured. But the big thing too is my topics, I get some views, but I'm not expecting a lot because when I go on to do research, there's not so many people looking for YouTubers that are working towards monetization. Really, they're looking at people that made it in 10 days or, in a month or something like that, where mine is slow and steady. So it's not going to reach as many people. So I'm not going to get as many views. So we couldn't really see too much if it was working or not working. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at my channel, for my community channel, for the weekly analytics and for the lifetime. Okay, so now we're in my YouTube analytics, my dashboard for my community channel. And let's go right away and look at this past week's analytics and see how I've done. So I'm going to be putting it from December 21st to December 28th. And you can see for that period of time, 335 views. And last week I had 378, so lower this time. Watch time, last week was 11.9. This one's 10.1. But I definitely improved with my subscribers. In fact, that last week I had 1 and now I have 4. So less views, less watch time, but more people liking what they see. All right, now let's go ahead and look at lifetime. Oh, wait a minute. No, I'm sorry. Now let's go ahead and look at click-through rate. And click-through rate 3.5%. And yeah, last week was a lot better, 5.1%. I only had 1 video this week, though. It was that posting one. So I guess that kind of makes sense, where the previous week I had a few extras. All right, now let's go ahead and look at lifetime. So what I did, because it is a little bit later when I'm recording this, I changed the lifetime to end at December 28th. And you can see that for that, I have 4,663 views, 151 watch hours, and 66 subscribers. And let's go ahead and look at click-through rate. And click rate 3.7% for lifetime. And the last time we checked was 3.8%. So just down a little bit. Not too bad. Okay. Now, the most important part is the earn section. And this time I was smart because I knew that I wasn't going to be able to record right away. And you can't change really the time frame on that one. I actually did a screenshot before I did any recording. Okay, so here's the screenshot, and it was December 27th, 2025, and I have 143 valid public watch hours at that time, which were going up slow and steady. And do I wish that I had one video that really took off? Absolutely. But you know what? Most people, take it slow. Okay, now I just want to talk about some videos that we've been kind of monitoring and just kind of like see how they're doing. Now, this first one here, and the reason I bring this one up is that I've gotten 94 views. That's really good for my channel. 1 subscriber, 2.4 watch hours. Now, remember, this one, where it started, that one is from my finance channel. That's the very first YouTube video that I created. And I'm hoping that people understand that this is before this channel was even created. But it's doing pretty well with 94 views. So people are interested. And let's look at engagement. Engagement, not so great, 19.7%, which I think honestly was about where I was at on the finance channel, but I've gotten a lot more views than I did on the finance channel. So that's a good sign. And you can see it's starting to go up a little bit. Not much, though. Okay, here's the next one, the correct watch hours for YouTube monetization. And now we're at 130 views. Remember, I told you that the ones that are more of tips and stuff, they take a little bit time to get going, but they're the ones that usually do the best. 5.7 watch hours, 2 subscribers, and you can see kind of picked up some speed there. So very nice. The next one, why you don't need hype to grow on YouTube. Let's go ahead and look. This is the one that 38, we're starting to make some progress here a little bit and stuff like that. It's still not one that's doing that great, even with the changes and stuff like that, but I have seen some improvement. But yeah, it's just one that people are just not really into. I mean, look at the impression click-through rate, 1.8. And 1 minute, 47 seconds. So our average is 31.3. So kind of in the same as everything else has been. All right, let's look at our number 1 video. All right, so here it is. Why you don't have YouTube's hype feature. Look at this now. I'm at 3,000 views on that one. 80.8 watch time hours. So most of my watch time hours is coming from this video alone. 21 subscribers. I think it's been 21 for a little while, so not as much going on right there. 7.8 for click-through rate. And engagement, 1 minute, 35 seconds. So we're looking at 34.2%. So like that's all about the average now, 34, 35%. What about you? How's your channel going? And if you like the idea of putting your script that you created and put it into ChatGPT just to see what it has to say, if you're trying to like, hey, how can I get more engagement, stuff like that, let me know if you need help in how to put that together. I will definitely show a video. If you watch this video to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.